Now, there are some people that will tell you that, oh, I have this diet that in 2 days, in 1 week, you're going to lose weight. In 2 days, you're going to lose weight. If it sounds too good to be true, it's because it's probably too good to be true. In this course, we are discouraged to avoid such diets because it will be accumulating troubles for you in other parts of your body that you might not even see or you might not even notice. So it's better to go about it the natural way. Hi, welcome back to Nutrition Tips with Chef Train. Last week we spoke about weight management, and this week we'll be talking about energy balance, weight loss, and weight loss plan. And to do this accurately for you guys, I'm coming along with my notes. So let's do this. Energy balance. When we talk about energy balance, we're talking about staying at a steady weight. If you want to stay at a steady weight, you have to ensure that you have energy balance. Now, your body needs a certain level of energy on a daily basis for basic daily needs. Now, we have the BMR, the basal metabolic rate, level of energy needed for base level physical activity and involuntary processes in your body, like food digestion, breathing, heart pumping, and all that. All those actions that it's not like you do them voluntarily, but your body needs to keep running. You need a certain amount of level to ensure that your body keeps running properly. Now, to achieve perfect energy balance, the calories taken or eaten equal the calorie used in daily activities. I believe that throughout this course, I've been emphasizing that ingested calories should be equal to used calories for a balance. If one is greater and one is less, then there becomes a problem. If ingested calories is higher than used calories, you begin to get overweight, you get obesity, you get fat saturating in different parts of the body that is not healthy for us. That is why energy balance is very, very, very important, and staying physically active is also very important because it helps you to balance energy. It helps you to use up calories that you've gathered up. Now let's talk about weight loss. The healthiest way to lose weight is to eat a healthy diet while increasing physical activity, which is something that I emphasized very well in the previous video. Avoid fat diets that claim quick and amazing results. Now, there are some people that will tell you that, oh, I have this diet that in 2 days, in 1 week, you're going to lose weight. In 2 days, you're going to lose weight. If it sounds too good to be true, it's because it's probably too good to be true. In this course, we are discouraged to avoid such diets because it will be accumulating troubles for you in other parts of your body that you might not even see or you might not even notice. So it's better to go about it the natural way. Any diet resulting in the loss of more than 2 pounds per week is too fast, is too aggressive, and is too spontaneous for your body. Now, if your body does not have time to adjust to the new weight you are trying to achieve, your new patterns, your new eating activities and all, it is highly likely that you're going to gain weight again. So if you're trying to lose weight, it's very important that you make sure that you teach your body a routine that it can adjust to. That is why those lose weight quick meals are being discouraged, because once you start, you have to continue. If you do it for like 2 weeks and you lose weight and then you stop, you would put on more weight. And then, like I said, those things that are too good to be true are bad for you because they affect your health in other ways that are not stated clearly. So when you want to do this naturally, it requires you to put in dedication and hard work, because it's not like you want to lose weight now, you do it for 2 weeks and expect that you're going to maintain the same weight or have the same results for a long period. So it's something that you have to decide, oh, I want to do this long term. If you really want to lose weight and you know that you're a kind of person that easily puts up weight, you have to sacrifice that. This kind of diet, you're saying goodbye to it, or you have to decide that I'm going to eat this twice a month, because it's not going to have as much effect on your body as if you eat it very often. Now we're going to talk about weight loss plan briefly. Physical activity is the key to maintaining a healthy body weight for both adults and children, and physical activity and a healthy diet, they go hand in hand if you really want to lose weight. Now, adults should have at least 30 minutes of moderate intense physical activity most days of the week. So you shouldn't be lazy. Like I said, you should be physically involved for at least 30 minutes every day of the week. Now, your exercise can be done at once, or you can break it. You don't have to do the vigorous activities one time, like when you start you must finish. You can decide, oh, I'm going to break it, I'll do a little in the morning, do a little in the afternoon, do a little in the evening, or I'll do it morning, evening, I'll do it once, depending on what works better for you. Now, the key to good health is to increase your heart rate and burn calories. That is why increased physical activities is highly advised, because it helps you to increase your heart rate and it helps you to burn down fat. Then it matches the diet that you're going to eat, and that is the basic natural way that you're really and genuinely going to lose weight without causing damage to any part of your body. It's a way that you're going to like cause you're going to bring a solution to your body without causing any damage or any harm to any part of the body. Honestly and realistically, we might not necessarily like weigh, okay, how many calories did I ingest today, but we can do a lot by eating and then walking. Don't walk more than you have eaten, and don't eat more than you can work out. That is if you are conscious about maintaining a healthy energy balance for your body. I think that's what is going to work for you, like approximately. Also, weight loss plan, it made us understand that if you're trying to lose weight, you need physical activity. They go hand in hand. One cannot go without the other, because if you are hitting the gym, doing all these activities, and you're still eating things that are going to make you put up weight, trust me, you will still put up that weight that you're trying to lose. He made sure to emphasize that if you're on a weight loss journey, you have to make sure that you train your body to adapt to your new activity and to your new eating orders. I really hope you picked something from it. I'll be seeing you guys next week with a continuation of this course. So thank you for watching, and bye.